Welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss about semaphores. So what is semaphores? Semaphore is one of the process synchronization tool. Here I have mentioned a definition for a semaphore. A semaphore can be represented by a variable called s. It is an integer variable that, apart from initialization, is accessed through two standard atomic operation. So what is semaphore? So semaphores are process synchronization tool. A semaphore can be indicated by an integer variable called s. So apart from initializing it, a semaphore can be accessed through two standard operation called wait and signal. Here I have given a definition for wait operation and the signal operation. So you just look at this code available for wait operation. Wait of S. And here you have a small code construct given. In order to understand easily, you can consider S as the number of resources available in the system. So I want you people to consider S as the number of resources available in the system. By having this in mind, you can clearly understand the wait operation and the signal operation. Okay, what is S? So S can be mapped to number of resources available in the system. So we'll get into wait definition. So wait of S, you have a while loop with S is less than or equal to 0 as a condition. Okay, what is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is there is no resource available in the computer or in the system, because here it is given as S is less than or equal to 0, which means there is no availability of resources. The process which requests to use the resource must wait because the resources are not available. The resources are currently allocated to some other process. So the process who wants to access the resource has kept waiting here. You can call this as busy waiting. You can call this operation as busy waiting because there is no available resources. So the process has to kept wait until the resources are available. You can see another condition. In case if the condition is false, so when the condition is false, what does it mean? It means there are availability of resources. So one of the resource can be allocated to a process who's requesting it. So in the available set of resources, one resource will be allocated to it. So that is indicated by S minus minus. I hope you people understand. When there are no resources, the process has to kept waiting. The process keeps on waiting. Okay, it keeps on looping around in the while loop itself. If there are resources, in that case, the process can be granted the requested resources, which is indicated by S minus minus. This is what you call it as wait operation. And the next operation we have is signal operation. So what is meant by signal? So signal operation is nothing but the process has finished using the resource. So now it has to release the resource. So when the process is releasing the resource, the number of resource will be incremented to 1. Suppose you have some 5 resources and 1 resources have been allocated to a process. After using the resource, the process will release the resource. So the number of process will be incremented to 1. I mean, earlier it was 4. Okay, after the resource has been released, it has been incremented to 5. So what is the operation is taking place? The operation taking place is S plus plus. So this is what we call it as wait operation and the signal operation. Thank you.